isn't it? It's in fabulous condition, very low hours on it, wouldn't I say that, but very low hours on it. And yeah, it's a steal because it's effectively coming in a half of what a brand new machine would be, and the big deal is it's here now.
Ward High Tech want to buy your used machines off you. Julian, really?
Absolutely, yes. The thing is, it's a very good analogy now, is with the car industry. A used car is easier to get hold of than a brand new one. Deliveries are getting longer and longer, availability, even looking around here today and you see all these stock machines, it's not always the one that people want. So we've got taken the opportunity of looking around our existing customer base to begin with and saying, well look, perhaps you'd like to upgrade, perhaps you'd like not just a 2-axis lathe, you'd like a lathe with a Y-axis, a lathe with a subspindle. Perhaps there's an opportunity. And people are taking advantage of that and looking at part exchanging, either as a deposit or just upgrading to a new machine.
And this machine that you're seeing here is a refurbished, used machine.
Incredibly, yes. It's in fabulous condition, very low hours on it, wouldn't I say that, but very low hours on it. And yeah, it's a steal because it's effectively coming in a half of what a brand new machine would be, and the big deal is it's here now. It's here and you can have it next week.
That is amazing. On top of that, you've got your buy now and pay nothing until 2023 deals. So, I mean, I've got to say, you know, all of this stock that you've got here, but it's not just here, is it?
It's not just here, no. This is quite an establishment on its own. There's quite a lot of machines in here, but we've also got a second factory down in Nuneaton, and there's a lot more machines down there.
Message here, if you want a machine quick, then speak to Ward High Tech.